Hi, Frank Smith here. In this video, I'm going to attempt to blend a daytime live composite image with a conventional long exposure. Let's see what we can do. Today's adventure takes me to the Delaware Water Gap. We're at a beautiful trail known as Lenape to Tots. It's got a ton of green foliage around in the middle of winter, which is nice. It's all because of the rhododendron trees that are around us. We're finding some waterways, hoping for some nice puffy clouds to come along. Let's continue up the trail here and see what our opportunities are going to be. So I'm at an amazing outlook right now. It's got a view of the New Jersey side of Delaware. We're in Pennsylvania right now, looking over to what is actually considered the Delaware Water Gap section of this trail. So we made it to the top of this incredible summit. We're up about as high as we can be on this trail. I'm trying a couple long exposures and some live composite. Not sure what the options are going to be. The clouds are a little thicker than I'd like, but let's give it a go. Here I am on top of Mount Minsi, photographing Mount Tammany. My plan was to use a daytime live composite image to get that painterly effect with the clouds. This is the result with about a 5-minute exposure, but it required a couple of images. This first one is the raw live composite without any editing. As you can see, there's a lot of movement with the foreground foliage. To minimize the foreground movement, I had to take a second image using a 30-second exposure. I combined the two images in Photoshop with the live composite on top and masked out the bottom portion of the image to allow a steadier foliage bleed through. I then post-processed the combined images for this final result.